Hello, hi, and assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Dr. Naeem. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm sharing an amazing natural tea made from banana peel, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and bay leaf, also known as patta. This tea is becoming popular for improving sleep, digestion, and supporting weight loss. So stay with me till the end to learn how to make it and its powerful benefits. Let's start by looking at the natural ingredients we'll be using: banana peel, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and bay leaves. All of these ingredients are loaded with antioxidants and unique compounds that protect the body from inflammation and stress.
Why banana peel? We usually throw banana peels away, but they are rich in fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamins, and antioxidants. Banana peel can improve sleep, support heart health, reduce stress, improve digestion, help constipation, and lower bad cholesterol. It also contains tryptophan, which promotes relaxation and deep sleep. Benefits of cloves. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Clove tea can reduce gas, acidity, and stomach pain, improve digestion, freshen breath, strengthen immunity, relieve joint pain, kill harmful bacteria. Clove is one of the most powerful natural healing spices. Benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity, which supports weight loss and reduces sugar cravings. It can also improve metabolism, reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, help with colds and cough, support brain function, reduce fatigue. Cinnamon is widely researched for diabetes and metabolic health. Benefits of bay leaf or patta. Bay leaf supports digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes. It may also reduce bloating and indigestion, improve nutrient absorption, strengthen immunity, remove toxins naturally, relieve constipation, and support heart health. Through antioxidants.
Power of combining them. When these four natural ingredients are combined, the tea becomes a powerful detox drink. Together, they promote restful sleep, boost metabolism, improve digestion, cleanse liver, reduce stress and anxiety, support heart health, help regulate blood sugar. This tea works best when taken at night. How to prepare the tea. Here's how to make it at home. Wash 1 banana peel thoroughly. Add peel to 2 cups of water. Add 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 bay leaf. Boil for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain and pour into a cup. Drink warm, preferably before bedtime. Who can benefit? This tea is great for people who struggle with poor digestion, stress and anxiety, insomnia, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, bloating and acidity, weight gain, and weak metabolism. Safety and precautions. As with any herbal tea, moderation is key. Avoid if you are pregnant, you are allergic to any ingredient, or if you are diabetic and take medication, monitor blood sugar closely. Start with half a cup to see how your body responds.
In summary, this tea may help improve sleep, boost digestion, detoxify liver, control blood sugar, support weight loss, strengthen immunity, reduce stress, improve cholesterol levels. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Dr. Naeem. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.